Canva Confidence Booster Part 8.
I am in Canva. I selected social media and now I'm going to select TikTok video. Oh, I have no more animator credits. Okay. Get more credits now. Okay, how do you do this? Oh, you have to pay. Okay, so we hit a snag. Running into a payment wall in Canva, I went ahead and went over to Midjourney to animate my photos. So now I'm going back over to Canva. In Canva, these are the 3 images that I animated. 1, 2, and 3. So I have another part of another video. So I'm not going to use this one. This one was animated with Canva and it came out okay, but it's just not the style. So I'm going to delete that one. And these are the ones that were animated using Midjourney. 1, 2, and 3. So there are some elements of each of the videos that I like. So I'm going to go through and edit each one, and then I'll splice it all together so that it is one entire reel. So I'll start with this one. I like everything up until she starts smiling, because yeah, everything up until she starts smiling. So I am going to select everything up to that point. So I will stop it right here. I'll hit split and then I'm just going to hit delete. So this video is probably 2 seconds. So it's only 2 seconds. All right, so I'll keep that one 2-second long video. So now over to the next one. Let's see. Yeah, I don't want her walking forward and backward. So I am going to go in and edit this one. So like her walking forward, and even the smile is good. I will stop it right there. So I'm going to hit split right here and delete the rest of it. So let's play it again. Okay, that's good. So go back to exit. So now our video is 25 seconds. And I think a lot of it is from, I have these pictures at the beginning. So let's go to the last one. This one is 20 seconds long. Or no, 4 seconds. Okay, I kind of like the whole video for that one. Okay, so for that one, I like up until she starts walking backwards again. So I'm just going to go when she goes here. And I'm going to hit split and go back. So this video was just pictures at the beginning. So I'm going to make this like really fast. So the whole video is 15 seconds now, and let's see what it looks like. Okay, I want to trim. Now I am going to add transitions. This is the final